Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I will show you how to restore the phone app icon on the home screen on the Galaxy A72. So first look around, try to find it. It's not on the home screen anywhere, not in any folders. To fix this, just scroll to the top from the middle of your screen and look for the phone app into the drawer. Here it is. Select it, drag it to the top of the screen and drop it wherever you want to be. For example here, where it was. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.